Hi everyone, it's Michael from Frontlineweb here, website designers and SEO Lowestoft. We have now started doing pay monthly websites with an initial payment of £99 up front. That includes your domain name buying, hosting for a year, full design, backup and some SEO. We've done about 45 websites for local business in and around Lowestoft. Though we cover further afield, Great Yarmouth, Norwich, London, even some sites we've done for America. It's just a couple of examples here. And if we just go to our pricing, as you can see, the pricing is very competitive. I mean, our normal websites start from $2.99. There would be a few add-ons like SSL and if you wanted SEO, but we start with the bronze package if you just wanted to pay monthly. Everything's left to us. We provide the images, you provide us obviously with some text and etc. of what you do. So we start with a bronze package of £30 per month, and onto a silver package, and then the gold package, or you can just have a one-off design. So feel free to contact us at any time, Michael at frontlineweb.biz, or visit our website www.frontlineweb.biz. Many thanks.